Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add co-host in Google Meet. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Click on New Meeting, then choose Start an Instant Meeting. Wait for the meeting to fully load. Once you're inside the meeting, click the lock icon in the bottom right corner. Toggle Host Management to on. This feature is important. It unlocks more controls, including the ability to add co-hosts. Next, click the People tab at the bottom right. Find the participant you want to promote. Click the three-dot menu next to their name. Select Add as co-host or Promote to co-host, depending on your version. Important note, adding a co-host is only available on certain Google Workspace or Google One premium plans. If you're using a free or basic Google account, you won't see this option. And that's it. That's how to add co-host in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.